3, 2, 1, lift off.
So the G, Kyle the Ringer is in the belfry, ringing up Ampolizali, a mastermind of campanology. KTR, Kyle the Ringer.
What's ringing, guys? It's Carl the Ringer here. Today we're going to be doing the sneezing silly string prank on Andy Cook. He's currently on his way to my house. Oh, I did it on Lee Gill today. I haven't uploaded the vid yet because I didn't want Andy Cook watching it because I said stay chime for the prank on Andy Cook, so I don't want him knowing about the prank I'm gonna do on him. Oh. Yeah, look, let's listen outside. Look, hoping he gets here soon. Right. Oh, sounds like a car. Look, Andy will be here any minute. Alright, here we go. What's up, Andy? You got anything to say to that vid? I was just doing a vid quickly, I was just about to end it and you turned up. What? What's that face for? Do you have anything to say to the vid? Doesn't look like he has, guys.
I have actually. Me and snap it.
Alright, so that's it for this. If you enjoy it, shoot! Whoa! Oh, damn!
Shame on you.
Damn it!
You didn't prank me.
Damn it!
Backfired on you. Get that on video.
Damn it! Well, let me get
My
this
lightning
out.
reflexes.
Oh, damn it!
I better not stain my new hat.
Well, let's just make sure that this. But oh well, thought I still got
You didn't though, did you? You got yourself.
I did. Look.
Yeah, that's on the floor.
No.
I just moved out of the way as it flew past. Like a stealthy ninja.
Well.
In slow motion.
Oh well. But I guess this didn't work then.
Oh, here he goes again, guys.
Nah.
I know what he's up to. He's pretty.
That did get you then.
What is it anyway? Well, if you're going to do it, may as well do it properly.
Sneezing silly string prank, and that's
Don't work
what it's
anyway.
called.
It don't work.
It does.
Show me then.
I did it on Lee.
Prove it.
I told you. I told you it worked, Andy.
Right, what am I going to do now?
I did tell you.
What's the shirt now?
I did. You told me to show you that it worked, and it did.
Ah.
But
I think you're better in the video.
well, alright. So that's it for this vid. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to future content. Until next time, spray out. Until next time, wing out.
Thank you. You have been watching Kyle the Ringer. Please ring subscribe for future content.